What's your name?
My name is Abrar Shahriar.
What can you do, Abrar?
I can sing, I can draw, I can run.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Araf.
What can you do, Araf?
I can read, I can write, I can speak.
Very good. What's your name?
My name's Dipto.
What can you do, Dripto?
I can make tea. I can act. I can jump.
What's your name?
My name is Farah Ulfat.
What can you do?
I can swim, I can dance, I can play.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Manha Binti Islam.
What can you do, Manha?
I can clean my room, I can arrange my books, I can walk fast.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Rabia Boshi Ariha.
Well, Oriha, what can you do?
I can bake a cake, I can read newspaper, I can recite.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.